Alright, so we're here. We're about to start up where everybody's been waiting for. Let's get started. We're gonna start with Mo. Oh, actually, I guess we're throwing down Chuck first, the challenger. Yo, Chuck, he's taking a drink, emptying the pockets. Throw on the music, kid. Hurry up. You can restart the music. Keep going.
You win. I can't go. I can't do any of that.
Bullshit, let's go, Mo, you're up. You've been challenged to a dance battle, you better step up, kid, let's go. Do you even listen to the music?